The New York City subway is the primary transit artery of New York City and stands as one of the largest, oldest, and most recognizable public transit networks in the world. Operating 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, the system encompasses an impressive 472 operating stations, the highest number of rapid transit stations in any single network globally. Its tracks stretch across 248 route miles, connecting Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, and the Bronx while moving between 3.4 and 3.6 million daily riders, delivering well over 1.1 billion passenger trips every year. While elevated steam railways existed earlier, the official underground subway system opened on October 27, 1904. The inaugural route stretched 9.1 miles from City Hall to 145th Street, charging passengers just a nickel per ride. Over the following decades, the modern map evolved from three historically separate and competing transit entities: the Interborough Rapid Transit Company, IRT, the Brooklyn Manhattan Transit Corporation, BMT, and the municipally built Independent Subway System, IND. In 1940, the city bought out the private operators, unifying all routes into a single publicly owned network that is managed today by the Metropolitan Transportation Authority, MTA. Because the original IRT tunnels were constructed narrower than later lines, the modern network remains split into two distinct technical categories. The A division, which includes the numbered lines such as the 1 through 7 trains, utilizes narrower and shorter subway cars. In contrast, the B division, encompassing lettered lines like the A, C, E, B, D, F, N, Q, and R, uses wider cars. Beyond its infrastructure, the subway is famous for its visual character, featuring iconic mosaic tilework showing street names and local history, along with modern public installations curated by MTA Arts and Design. The system continues to evolve through ongoing modernization efforts, replacing legacy mechanical signaling with computer-based train control, CBTC, and rolling out Omni contactless payment terminals across all stations.